Oh shit!
Watching me! Bitch!
I got 2. I got 3.
I knew someone.
I got 3. God damn!
I do
have
streak
it.
them, and then I get up to the apple.
God damn.
You get 40.
38. 3 more levels, baby, and I can use the MP7.
Okay, there we go. That's another fucking long shot kill. Oh, keep in mind, it is only allowed.
How did I kill that guy? He's behind a fucking wall. Netcode.
Okay, you wanna warn me, you know?
Oh. How the fuck am I alive?
I'm getting jumped
No,
now.
enemy collision almost fucked me.
Yeah, it's fucked me a lot because of these shotguns.
Those people suck!
Syntax.
These people suck! That was fucking worth it, goddamn.
This guy sucks. Holy, how did he lose to me?
That guy sucks. How did he lose to me? That's crazy. That's a double fucking whammy right there. Hey guy, yeah, that guy's bunny hopping while on fire with nobody near him. God damn. Yeah, that's fucking balanced. Really fucking fair. Really fucking balanced, everybody. Really, really balanced.
We love you, Riichi.
Get fucked, Gojo, you bitch! Come back from that, motherfucking. Nah, I'd win my ass. Fucking
I was gonna say that as well.
Got him again! That's so balanced! Really fucking fair! Oh goddamn, it's 5, it's 4 on. That's crazy. I don't know what to do, there's so many of them. What the fuck are you shooting at, motherfucker? What the fuck? That guy sucks. My hands weren't even on my controller and I still killed him. That guy also sucks. I don't know what to do, man. There's so much fucking shit. Oh, what? That's crazy, dude. crazy. That guy fired up. That was fireworks. That was awesome.